Hi everyone. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic compact cars making its return, the 2025 Perodua Kancil. This car has a rich history, especially in Malaysia and other Southeast Asian countries. Now, in 2025, Perodua has brought back the Kancil with modern touches while keeping the spirit of the original alive. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Kancil retains its compact city-friendly dimensions, but now features a much more contemporary and aerodynamic look. The front grille has been redesigned with sleek LED headlights that give the car a sharper, more aggressive stance compared to its predecessors. The rounded edges and smooth body lines maintain that familiar approachable character while enhancing fuel efficiency with improved aerodynamics. In terms of size, the Kancil remains highly practical for urban driving. Its small footprint makes parking in tight city spaces a breeze, yet the clever design ensures it doesn't feel cramped inside. Perodua has smartly utilized every inch of interior space, offering surprisingly generous legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Now, let's move inside. The 2025 Perodua Kancil's cabin has been thoroughly modernized. You're greeted with a digital instrument cluster, a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a multifunction steering wheel. The materials used are simple but functional, with soft touch elements in key areas to add a bit of premium feel for such an affordable car. The seating is comfortable for daily commutes, and the boot space, while not massive, is ample enough for groceries, small luggage, or weekend shopping sprees. Perodua has also added practical storage compartments throughout the cabin for added convenience. Under the hood, the 2025 Kancil comes with a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine that delivers around 68 horsepower and 91 Nm of torque. It may not sound like much, but for a car of this size, it's more than adequate for city commuting and short highway trips. The engine is paired with a CVT transmission, ensuring smooth and efficient power delivery. Fuel efficiency remains one of Kancil's strong suits, with Perodua claiming around 22 km per liter, which is perfect for budget-conscious drivers. Safety has also seen a significant upgrade. The new Kancil is equipped with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, stability control, and even Perodua's advanced safety assist system in higher variants, which includes pre-collision warning, pre-collision braking, lane departure warning, and pedal misoperation control. For a car in this price bracket, these features are truly impressive. Speaking of variants, the 2025 Kancil comes in several trims, from the basic standard to the top-of-the-line premium version. Each trim level is carefully priced to make the Kancil accessible to a wide range of buyers. The base model starts at approximately Rm28,000, while the fully loaded premium version comes in at around Rm35,000. When converted, that's roughly between $6,000 to $7,500, depending on the currency rates. In markets like Pakistan or Indonesia, after taxes and duties, the price might go up slightly, but it remains highly affordable. One of the key selling points of the 2025 Kancil is its low cost of ownership. Maintenance is cheap, spare parts are widely available, and the fuel economy is outstanding. It's a perfect option for students, first-time car buyers, or anyone looking for a reliable second car. Overall, the 2025 Perodua Kancil is a fantastic return of an old favorite. It's affordable, practical, fuel-efficient, and now comes with modern tech and safety features that make it competitive even in today's market. Perodua has managed to stay true to the original philosophy of the Kancil: simple, reliable, and economical, while giving it just the right amount of 2025 flavor. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews right here on Gear Dollar Grips. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.